Is that you, cheeky? What are you getting up to? My goodness, not just your average sheep, is it? Maybe just happens to like the cardigan that I'm wearing. It's a textiles design and it's pattern 690 Brooklyn. Made using Bellissimo 8. The colour here is 224, which is this beautiful barely pink shade. And it's just 12 balls for this size. And if you have a look, it's quite long. So that's not bad. 12 balls going that distance. You can wear it done up or left open. Pockets. Who doesn't love a pocket? I love to put my hands in pockets. We've got drop shoulder and also a little bit of shaping around the opening there. But basically, it's fairly straightforward. If you haven't knitted a cardigan before, this is a great one to do. There's not a lot in it, and I'm sure even a beginner could do it. So if you're interested, go click on the link provided in this post, take you through to our website, and you'll be able to see more detail. And behave.